I have to be a little more gentle with my hair since I went from black to blonde. I love my Laifen hair dryer, so I got the SE Lite in lavender. It has 4 different temperatures and 2 different air speeds, so that helps prevent heat damage. With kids, I love how quiet it is, and then it is super lightweight, so my arms do not get tired. The Laifen hair dryer is also 50% faster than other hair dryers. It took me 5 minutes to blow dry my hair, and when it was a lot longer, it took me less than 10 minutes. I've never used a Dyson hair dryer because I would never spend that type of money on a blow dryer, but people compare it to that, saying that it is as powerful as the Dyson, but the Laifen is literally less than $80, and that is so much more reasonable and a great deal. I don't know about you guys, but I am all about saving money any way I can. You can get it on the TikTok shop, and I will link it below.